In this video, we'll have a quick look at how to utilize the before and after image block in AIT blocks. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and enable that particular block. We'll head over to blocks from the AIT blocks menu, and then we'll scroll down to where we've got before and after image. We just want to make sure this is toggled to on to utilize this. This is a pro feature as well. So if you don't have the option to toggle it on, make sure you go ahead and activate that pro plugin. All right, so I'm just going to add a new page, and then from here, we can just go ahead and search for the before and after image block, which is this one. Okay, and to use it's pretty straightforward. So we've got our first image. So let's go ahead and select one here. That's okay. And we'll select our after image and select this one. We can edit the after label as well. We can add a image alt tag, which is recommended, but we'll just leave everything as it is for now. We can also change it from horizontal to vertical, but we'll leave it as horizontal. And then we can just go ahead and hit publish. Let's view this page. Okay, and here is our before and after image slider.